Now this is also a harmonic motion, harmonic mean of continuous frequency. Right here, if you observe marks in the class intervals, format has been given and the frequency has been given. Now in this problem, as an answer, marks and mid values we have to take here as m, frequency, and 1 by m, f into 1 by m. So total frequency we got it as n equal to 70, f into 1 by m, summation value is 1.3003. Harmonic mean is equal to n by summation of f into 1 by n. The value we got it as 53.83. Next concept is mean deviation is the next concept for us. Next concept is measures of dispersion. If the items within a distribution differ from one another in magnitude, the term dispersion is used to indicate the difference. Generally, we are using the dispersions of range, mean deviation, standard deviation. First one, range. Range for ungrouped data means the formula is maximum value minus minimum value. So as an example, I given here few numbers for this range. Maximum value is 96 and minimum value is 9. 96 minus 9 equal to 87. And for grouped data, range is equal to upper limit of largest class minus lower limit of the smallest class. As an example, I given the class intervals. Upper limit of the largest class is 50 and the lower limit of the smallest class is 0. 50 minus 0, 50. Next, mean deviation. It is an arithmetic average of absolute values of the deviations of the variates measured from average. That means for ungrouped data, x1, x2, xn or n values having arithmetic mean of these values is x bar and absolute values is modulus of xi minus x bar, and mean deviation is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to n modulus of xi minus x by n. Now we will go through the problems based on this concept. Right. So example of mean deviation. Here the example, calculate the mean deviation of the values from arithmetic mean. AM means arithmetic mean. So average of these given values is 60. Mean deviation formula is summation of xi minus x bar by n. So here xi means the individual or x1, x2, x3, x4 like that we have to take into consideration. X bar is 60. So by using the formula 40 minus 60 like that divided by 5 is equal to 10.4. The same raw data, another one here mean and here it is from median and from this is arithmetic mean. So another problem, ungrouped data. Find the mean deviation about the median of the following data. So for this, so the given number of terms is even number of terms. I written that one is the ascending order. Median for that one is, if the n value is 10, ascending order the median value is n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term, that is 42 and 44 by 2. You will get the median is 43. Mean deviation for median is equal to same formula we will using xi minus 43. 43 is the median. Now x1, x2, x3, x4 like that if you take and calculate divide by 10 you will get the value is 8.7. Now another one is from group data we are doing. Group data again it has been segregated as continuous and discrete. Now first we will go through discrete frequency distribution. Find the mean. As an example we have taken this one. The values of x and the values of f has been given. Answer for this one, xi, fi xi, modulus of xi minus x bar. X bar means mean. Fi into xi minus x bar. Mean x bar is equal to 14. Okay, na? Mean deviation value, mean deviation formula, summation of fi into xy minus x bar by summation of fi, 158 by 25, you got the value as 6.23. And continuous frequency distribution, for this one is example, sales in thousands and number of companies. This number of companies we consider it as fi. Now I answer for this one, sales fi and mid values of this class interval has considered as xi, fi xi, modulus of xi minus x bar. X bar means here mean. fi xi by summation of fi, that is 7100 by 100, that is 71, and fi into xi minus x bar, summation value is 1040. So mean deviation is equal to summation of xi minus x bar by summation of fi, 1040 by 100 is equal to 10.4.